Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Residents and business owners in Whitehouse, Westmoreland say they're struggling with the absence of automated teller machines, ATMs, in the commercial town. Thieves have forced the bank to pull their services, leaving residents to travel miles to other towns to access cash. Kimberly Petty has the details.
It's a shame, you know. It is a shame. No ATM in the town. Can't believe.
An ATM was once here at this Texaco gas station, but in July of last year, thieves attempted to steal the cash, vandalizing the machine in the process. Vadan Powell is the manager.
We've been trying our endeavor best to negotiate with them to put it back, because it's a lot of inconvenience to the community, to our customers. So we are trying our endeavor best to lobby with the bank so they can put it back.
Mr. Powell said ever since the removal of the ATM, business has declined. It was the only one in the town, servicing many neighboring communities. Residents now have to travel nearly 9 miles to Black River or Savannah Lamar, which is about 18 miles, to get cash. Mr. Powell further noted that other businesses also relied on the ATM, like Roy's.
Times when persons come here and don't have any money, they have to credit the thing and go get the money either Black River or Savannah Lamar and come back and pay the bills. You understand? Sometimes it's frustrating, but you have to do what we have to do.
But he's not the only one feeling the pinch. Other vendors are complaining.
Well, it affects us a lot because sometimes people need goods from you, and because of the ATM unavailability in Whitehouse, nobody have funds to spend. So because of that, sometimes they take the business to Black River where the ATM is, so they can just purchase what they want over there.
This resident is one of those customers who was forced to take her business elsewhere. She says it is
bad because when you need money to do business, you have to go to Sav or Black River.
The woman says not only is it costly, but
it's very inconvenient because we have to take the taxi to go to Black River or Sav.
Is that costly?
Yes, you have to pay $300.
The residents are proposing that an ATM be installed at the police station.
I don't think anybody would try to go by the station to rob the ATM. As you know, that is the reason why we don't have an ATM in Whitehouse, because people keep robbing the ATM.
Well, when the people then come, we have use a card. So maybe let the ATM come back, put over the police station.
And why do you think that the police station is the best place for it?
It is the safest place in Whitehouse.
We put the issue to the president of the Westmoreland Chamber of Commerce, Moses Chaibar.
We can't really remove services without some consideration for the impact it will have on our customers. And I would really call on the financial institutions to find a way, partner with the business sector. I believe persons up there in business would be open to having a discussion for having the ATM placed inside their buildings where it is more secured.
He said, whilst not undermining the risk factors,
they can look at installing ATMs inside buildings, like inside supermarkets, where it is better protected. And also the financial institutions to invest in technology with better security measures that would make it more difficult, if not impossible, for thieves to break into these ATM and to make off with the money.
The town of Whitehouse is no stranger to robberies. In 2020, thieves made off with $3.2 million from the JN Money Shop. The branch was eventually closed. 1 year later, gunmen posing as customers robbed the Community and Workers Credit Union in the town. There is a fear that if this persists, doing business will take a turn for the worst. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.